We now cross back to a stare-off, and we're away! SpongeBob hot off the mark, looking solid as he stares through the field with focused eyes showing no sign of struggle at the quarterway mark, now changing to his trademark glare as he pushes through to the halfway point. A sneaky booger leaks from his nose as he still holds in strong, looking unbeatable at this stage. Hang on, a fly's buzzing around his head, and the fish line comes into sight. Oh no, this is extraordinary! It's a draw, a stare-off draw, unbelievable! Stare at more of SpongeBob every weekday Arvo in Savo on the home of SpongeBob SquarePants, Nickelodeon.